Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a really interesting exponential equation in two ways. So in the first method, let's go ahead and start with taking the log of both sides. So I can say that we have log of 3 to the power of x equals log of 7 to the power of x plus 2. Then let's go ahead and use the power rule, which is one of the most important properties of logarithm. And it states that log of a to the power of n is equal to n times log a. Basically, it means that we can take the power of an exponent and bring it in front and use it as the coefficient of logarithm. So we can use this and take this x and bring it in front, take this x plus 2 and bring it in front. So we will have x times log 3 equals the quantity x plus 2 times log 7. Then let's go ahead and distribute the log 7 on the right-hand side. So we will have x times log 3 equals x times log 7 plus 2 times log 7. Cool. Next, let's go ahead and move x times log 7 to the left-hand side to have the x's on the same side. So we will have x times log 3 minus x times log 7 equals 2 times log 7. And then let's go ahead and pull out the x on the left-hand side to get x times the quantity log 3 minus log 7 equals 2 times log 7. And then, in order to solve for x, we just need to go ahead and divide both sides by this number. So we will have x equals 2 times log 7 divided by log 3 minus log 7. Great, so this brings us to the end of the first method. Let's go ahead and talk about the second one. So we want to solve 3 to the power of x equals 7 to the power of x plus 2. So in the second method, I'm going to go ahead and start using one of the most important properties of exponents, which states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So by using this on the right-hand side, I can say that we have 3 to the power of x equals 7 to the power of x multiplied by 7 squared. Next, let's go ahead and divide both sides by 7 to the power of x. So we get 3 to the x over 7 to the x equals 7 squared. Then let's go ahead and use this property that states that a to the power of n over b to the power of n is equal to a over b all to the power of n. So by using this, I can say that on the left-hand side, we have 3 over 7 to the power of x equals 7 squared. And then by using the definition of logarithm, we can say that x is equal to log of 7 squared with base 3 over 7. Now we can use some properties of logarithm to simplify this. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we can use the change of base property. So we know that log of a with base b is equal to log of a over log of b, right? So by using this, I can say that x is equal to log of 7 squared over log of 3 over 7. Then, by using the power rule, I can take this power and bring it in front. So on the top, we have 2 times log 7. And since we have a log of division in the bottom, we can use this property. So we know that log of a divided by b is equal to log of a minus log of b, right? So based on this, in the bottom, we have log 3 minus log 7. Great. So this brings us to the end of the second method and end of the video. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed watching this, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you later. Goodbye for now.